Good morning, children. How are you all? I am your Girija madam. Today I am going to take for you Gunitaksharagalu. Second letter Gha. Today morning I took in the live class also same thing. Today Gha plus a Ghatalgattu Ga to Gha plus a is equal to Ghatalgattu Gaha. So shall we start the class, children? Gha plus a Ghatalgattu Gha. Gha plus a Gadirga Gha. Gha plus e Gagudusugi. Gha plus e Gagudusondirga Gi. Gha plus u Gagumbugu. Gha plus u Gagumandirga Gu. Gha plus ru Gagotrusulligru. Gha plus a Gagetvage. Gha plus a Gagetvandirgage. Gha plus I Gagaitvage. Gha plus o Gagotvago. Gha plus o Gagotvandirgago. Gha plus au Gagautvagau. Gha plus Gakonsonnegam. Gha plus aha Gagad sonne gaha. Again I am saying, children, listen it. Gha plus a Ghatalgattu Gha. Gha plus a Gadirga Gha. Gha plus e Gagudusugi. Gha plus e Gagudusondirgagi. Gha plus u Gakombugu. Gha plus u Gagumandirgagu. Gha plus ru Gakotrusulligru. Gha plus a Gagetvage. Gha plus a Gagetvandirgage. Gha plus I Gagaitvagai. Gha plus o Gagotvago. Gha plus o Gagotvandirgago. Gha plus au Gagautvagau. Gha plus Gakonsonnegam. Gha plus aha Gagad sonne gaha. And like this, some children they can't pronounce like this, they will say no. For them also I am saying giving. Gha plus a Gha. Gha plus a Gha. Gha plus e Gi. Gha plus e Gi. Gha plus u Gu. Gha plus u Gu. Gha plus ru Gru. Gha plus a Ghe. Gha plus a Ge. Gha plus I Gai. Gha plus o Go. Gha plus o Go. Gha plus au Gau. Gha plus Gam. Gha plus aha Gaha. Children, this one in the classwork you should write 3 times. And in the copywriting book is there, no? In that also Ga plus a Ghatalgattu Ga to Gaha. Gaked sonne Gaha. Till there you should write in the copywriting. While writing you should say and write, children. Okay, next class I will take the next words. Thank you very much, children. All the best. God bless you.